we called it papyrus paper, coming out of the papyrus plant. And for sure that you know that this papyrus plant was very holy in ancient time because of two reasons. But the main important thing that we use the external part of this papyrus plant to make the basket of Moses that we put inside it the smaller child Moses, and we put it in the river Nile. For sure that you hear about that. Firstly, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
That's my name is Amira, to be as a local guide just for a few minutes. I'll give you a brief idea about this papyrus plant, the holy plant in ancient time. That I tell you before, it was holy because of two reasons. Its flower looks like a sun rays, which symbol of Amon-Ra. This is famous god in ancient time, and the sun of the power of it. What about the stem? Look at the stem at the end. The stick almost like a pyramid shape, which symbol of eternal life and eternity. And to make the paper, we will go to cut part from the stem according the size that we need to make the paper. And put in your mind, without this papyrus paper, all the Egyptian civilization will be unknown. Now, we will go to remove the outer part, the titanium. And this outer part, that we use it especially the titanium before, for making these baskets. And now, we will go about the inner part. The inner part of the papyrus plant broken easily. So, we must do it flexible. How we will do it flexible? By using the hand hammer like this way to dropping like this. After that, for making chapati, that's right?
Yes.
Here in Egypt, that we use it for hitting husbands, especially for men. Especially for ladies. Especially for men, especially for ladies. So now we do it like this. Now you will find that the straps become flexible.
Yes.
We need to reduce the sugar. We leave it in water. 6 days in water. If we leave it 6 days in water, just white paper, like this. If we leave it 12 days in water, become brown, to get the second color of the brown paper. How we will do it is stack 2 pieces of natural cotton and put the straps in 2 directions, 1 by 1, cross, vertical, horizontal. Like, look at this now. Yes. This is the way how we will go to collect the whole paper, cross, vertical and horizontal layers. And for sure we will complete it by the same way. After that, cover it with another piece, put it between something so heavy to be pressed together. Nowadays, we use the hand press. In ancient time, what is the use? What is the use? Make your mind. What is the use? Something heavy. Big stones. And we leave it under this hand press another 6 days more. 6 days in water. 6 days under hand press. 12 days to get white. 12 plus 6, 18 to get brown. You have a time to stay with me 6 days until we finish?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, abracadabra, focus, focus. That's finished now. This is my result to you. Check the paper, please, carefully. Pay